Today we read 2 Kings 15 and 2 Chronicles 26. It's day 189 in the Bible Recap Plan, or Heart Dive. What really strikes me here goes back to some of the stuff we learned earlier this year, that God is holy and requires holiness near him. Even though we have a good king here, it doesn't exclude him from the requirement of consecration. Knowing that God is still the same God today as he was then, I'm so much more grateful for the sacrifice of Jesus to cover me. Would you join me in responding in worship with a new song from Cory Asbury called Holy God?
Vast beyond compare, the universe declares, there is no one like you, God. Cathedrals couldn't hold glory manifold. There is no one like you. You're beautiful. You're beautiful. Holy, holy, you're wonderful. You're wonderful. You're wonderful. Holy, holy God. The skies and their expanse fit within your hand. There is no one like you, God. You're robed in majesty, earth beneath your feet. There is no one like you, we honor you. We honor you. We honor you. Holy, holy, we crown you. We crown you. We crown you. Holy, holy God. Every knee will bow, every tongue confess, all creation shouts, God of heaven, you're worthy. You're worthy. Every knee will bow, every tongue confess, all creation shouts, God of heaven, you're worthy. You're worthy. Yeah. Every knee will bow, every tongue confess, all creation shouts, God of heaven, you're worthy. You're worthy. Worthy is the Lamb. Worthy is the Lamb. Worthy is the Lamb. Worthy is the Lamb. You're beautiful. You're beautiful. You're beautiful. Holy, holy God. Holy God.
I pray that our response to God's holiness would be like this: awe and wonder, not fear or anger, but excitement. We have access to this very God we're singing about and to. He is worthy. He is wonderful. He is beautiful. Thank you for worshiping with me today. I am Debbie Byrd, and I'll see you tomorrow.